Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Sarah, and as always, I've got my co-host John here with me. How's it going, John?
Hey Sarah, I'm doing great, thanks. Super excited for today's topic. It's one that I think a lot of folks in Landenberg will really appreciate.
Absolutely. We're diving into Softwash housewashing today. It's this cool cleaning method that's been making waves, especially around here. I mean, who doesn't want their home looking fresh without risking damage?
Right? So, soft washing uses low-pressure sprays with some eco-friendly cleaning solutions. It's like giving your house a gentle spa day instead of a harsh workout.
Exactly. And it's perfect for those delicate surfaces like roofs and siding. You know, the ones that would totally freak out if you blasted them with high-pressure water. And let's not forget about the environment. The biodegradable solutions help protect plants, pets, and our precious water sources. It's a win-win.
Oh, for sure. Plus, it's not just about making things look good. It actually gets rid of mold, mildew, and algae. So it's like a deep clean that keeps your home looking great longer.
And the best part? You can get a free estimate with just a few clicks. Easy peasy.
Totally. So folks, if you're in Landenberg and thinking about getting your home soft washed, I say go for it. Housewash PA is ready to help. Yep. And don't forget to check out their newsletter for maintenance tips and seasonal offers. Keeping your home clean doesn't end with just one wash.
So, what are you waiting for? Get in touch with Housewash PA and give your home that fresh look it deserves.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Catch you next time.